And now it's time for a crazy, deep stuff by Shay. You know, making new friends during your spiritual awakening can be difficult. One time, while I was waiting on a bus, a nice lady sat next to me. She smiled at me and asked, "How are you today?" Lost in thought, I looked at the lady and asked, "If you're traveling around the universe using an interstellar, transdimensional spacecraft and you have to pee, are there rest stops along the way? If so, I hope they have vending machines." The lady quickly grabbed her stuff and walked away. I was sad. Deep stuff by Shay.